Hey everyone and welcome. As your certification mentors here at Cert Empire, you know our main goal is to help you just completely cut through the noise and get exactly what you need to advance your IT career. So today, we're bringing you a really crucial explainer covering the June 2026 Microsoft PL-900 Power Platform Fundamentals update. Microsoft has literally just overhauled the official training for this exam, and there is so much conflicting information floating around out there right now. But don't worry, we're going to break down exactly what this means for you, what you actually need to study, and how to successfully navigate this massive update. So let's dive right in. Is your current PL-900 study guide already totally obsolete? I know, it's a terrifying thought, right? If you've been, scrolling through forums or reading some older blogs over the last few weeks, you've probably noticed something incredibly frustrating. Basically, no one seems to agree on what's actually on the PL-900 anymore. One guide is telling you to spend days building Power BI dashboards, while another says, well, Power BI isn't even a core module. One site claims the exam covers a 2-day training bootcamp, and another swears it's just a single day. We know this is a huge pain point for candidates right now, because studying the wrong material, that doesn't just waste your precious time, it totally destroys your confidence on exam day. So here is our roadmap to get you exam ready. We're going to cover clearing the update confusion, the Copilot-first redesign, the 5 core areas, updating your study plan, and finally, the 2026 certification landscape. Let's get to it. All right, part 1, clearing the update confusion. Let's start by resolving that major anxiety and figure out why the official training course seems to look completely different depending on which source you happen to read. Let's look at the timeline. Back in June 2024, Copilot AI content was first added to the objectives. Then, a year later in June 2025, Microsoft actually expanded the course from 1 day to 2 days. They did this to fit in new Power Pages modules and broader Copilot functionality. But then, fast forward to April 2026, and they executed this massive Copilot-first redesign, literally stripping out several standalone modules entirely. By June 2026, the course was consolidated right back down to a single day. So the takeaway here is absolutely crucial. The course didn't just randomly get shorter, it was intentionally reorganized. If you see study sources talking about a 2-day course, they are referencing 2025. The reality for candidates testing today is a much narrower, highly focused 1-day fundamentals format. Now, I want to emphasize a really important number for a second. 0. Why 0? Because that is the exact number of actions current PL-900 certification holders need to take right now. If you're watching this and you already hold the PL-900 credential, take a deep breath. You are completely safe. Microsoft fundamental certifications never expire. There is absolutely no retesting requirement, no renewal action needed on your part whatsoever. Your credential remains permanently valid. This whole update we're talking about, it only affects candidates who are currently preparing to take the exam. Moving on to Section 2, the Copilot-first redesign. This redesign is without a doubt the biggest structural change of the 2026 refresh. And honestly, this is exactly where people are getting tripped up. In the older version of the exam, Power BI, Copilot Studio, and AI Builder were dedicated, deep dive, standalone modules. You had to know exactly how to configure them in detail. But in the 2026 update, they have been completely removed as standalone modules. Hear me clearly as your certification mentor here. Please do not waste hours of your time practicing deep Copilot Studio agent configuration or building out complex Power BI dashboards. That heavy standalone emphasis is totally gone. Instead, all that content has shifted to a new integration model. You now really just need conceptual awareness of these tools and an understanding of how they fit into the broader ecosystem. So what does Microsoft actually mean by a Copilot-first design? Basically, it means that instead of teaching Copilot as a separate tool with its own isolated configuration module, AI capabilities are now natively embedded throughout the entire platform. You have to learn Copilot's specific role inside Power Apps, inside Power Automate, and inside Power Pages. You're learning the AI as you learn the core tool, rather than treating the AI like it's some separate subject. And honestly, it's a much more practical, real-world approach to how these tools are actually being used in businesses today. Okay, Section 3, the 5 core areas. Now, these 5 areas need to form the absolute backbone of your exam preparation strategy moving forward. First up, the business value of Power Platform. You need to understand why organizations adopt it and what the ROI actually is. Second, Dataverse and governance. Data modeling and security are huge topics here. Third is Power Pages, which is all about building external-facing websites. Fourth is Power Apps. And a quick tip, notice you must understand both Canvas and model-driven apps as distinct approaches. And finally, Power Automate, for building flows and automating business processes. Rule of thumb? If a topic isn't on this list, it absolutely should not be the core focus of your study sessions. Next up, Section 4, updating your study plan. First, we have to clear up a vital detail that's causing some confusion. The exam code is still PL-900. There is no new exam code. And actually, as of the recording of this explainer, Microsoft hasn't even released a newly dated exam objectives document. But here is some industry expert insight for you. Microsoft's training course updates almost always precede formal exam objective updates. The training course update is the absolute clearest signal of where the exam content emphasis is shifting. So even without a shiny new objectives document, you really must align your study habits with this new training structure just to be safe. All right, so here is your step-by-step game plan. Step 1, dedicate 80% of your time to mastering those 5 core areas we just talked about. Step 2, keep Power BI, Copilot Studio, and AI Builder strictly at a conceptual level. Understand what they do, but don't get bogged down in deep configuration steps. Step 3, and guys, this is incredibly important if you are using study guides from 2024 or earlier, you must supplement your learning with current Microsoft Learn content specifically for Power Pages. Older materials are going to severely lack the necessary depth on Power Pages that this new exam format demands. Do not get caught off guard there. Finally, Section 5, the 2026 certification landscape. Let's zoom out a bit and see how this all fits into the bigger picture of the future. In 2026, Microsoft is actually retiring the PL-200, PL-500, and PL-600. So those classic Power Platform-specific roles are being phased out. And what's replacing them? The brand new, highly anticipated AI-focused AB series. We're talking credentials like the AB-100 Agentic AI Business Solutions Architect and the AB-410 AI Agent Builder. This is a massive shift in the ecosystem, right? The entire industry is rapidly moving toward AI agents. And that brings us to a thought that perfectly summarizes why you are doing all this hard work right now. PL-900 is becoming more important, not less, as the stable foundational credential that the entire new AB series certification track assumes candidates already understand. Think about that. The PL-900 isn't going anywhere. It is the surviving gateway. If you want to jump into those lucrative new AB series certifications, the PL-900 provides the mandatory foundational vocabulary and the conceptual framework you're going to need to even begin to understand those advanced AI topics. So I'll leave you with this provocative question to chew on. After you secure your PL-900, are you ready to step up to the new AB series? Because the PL-900 is your launchpad. Master those 5 core areas, understand the Copilot-first integration, don't waste time on the removed modules, and get this certification firmly under your belt. Because once you do, the entire world of agentic AI and this brand new Microsoft certification landscape is going to be wide open to you. Thank you so much for joining us for this explainer, and happy